here to explain how to insert the handle into your new Euroflex Vapour M2R. First thing you'll want to do, make sure that this clamp is open, and you're going to hold the handle and the extension tube and just extend it out all the way to the end to a point where you feel when you pull this trigger, there's a little bit of tension, okay? Then you're going to take this clamp and clamp it down till it clicks. You may notice a piece of tape up at the top here. Feel free to remove it, it doesn't have any function. Now we're ready to insert our handle into our Vapour M2R. But first make sure that you have your screw available. So just leave it next to your machine. You're going to turn your handle till you see this little arrow, and you're going to want to match it up to the triangle on your Vapour M2R, and you just slide it in till it pops, and then you're going to give it a half turn so that it matches up. You can see the line matches up with the line next to the lock. That's locking it in place. And then you're going to go to the back of your machine, and just above the serial number, that's when you're going to insert this screw into the hole right here. And you're just going to turn it. No tools necessary. Doesn't have to be super duper tight, just tight enough to keep everything in place. And now you'll be ready to fill your tank with our handy dandy gravity filling water bottle, which I will explain in our next video.